We are talking to myself since I'm not friends with you. Hallelujah. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's again Amy Special as usual. So if this is the first time you're seeing this face on your screen, thank you for clicking. If you're returning, thank you very much. I really appreciate. Hope you guys are safe. Hope you guys are doing well. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to shape your eyebrows. As you can see, my brows, it's really looking tattered. So I want to show you how to shape your eyebrow at home, that you don't have to go and pay for somebody to do it for you. Like, it's very easy and you don't have to spend much. Some people use razor blade, but I'll be using this brow razor. It's not expensive, it's just 25 pesos. That's about 250 naira. Then it's not even up to $1, about 50 bucks, yeah. So I'll be using a brow pencil to give that shape I want. Yeah, so let's jump right into the video without wasting much time. Let me open this. Yeah, so this is how it is. Yeah, why we need a pencil? I'll be using the pencil to give the shape I want, like anyhow you love your eyebrows to look, you give it that shape. So sorry, this is the mirror I'm using. So I'm just going to shape it very fast. Yes, so this is how it looks. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use this and shape the places I did not draw. Yeah, that's how it's done. So I'm just going to start. Let me come close so you see it very well. Then you have to be careful, this is very sharp. I'm sure you can see the difference already with this. Like, this is looking neat already. Yeah, so let me use my mirror and see what I'm doing. Yeah, so this is how it looks. I'm just going to go ahead and repeat the same thing here. Yeah. We are talking to myself since I'm not friends with you. Hallelujah. Yes, when you say something like this, and I'm not relaxed, the people now chosen in the city. When you saw Carol, I used to ask myself, what's up? How come? Me, when I used to relax my hair used to be so that if you see me coming from far, you think about my hair if I come back. But naturally, it will be looking like sponge. Then relaxing it now. I don't want to mix relaxer in this country. I don't like mixing relaxer on my hair. So me relaxing my hair now, I have to make sure that I use one particular relaxer. Yeah, so this is how it looks after everything. Yeah, so if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, share, turn on the notifications so that whenever I post a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. Sorry. And if you have any video suggestion, please drop it down in the comment section. I'm going to see you guys in my next one. Bye.